Today we learn the letter E. First I tell you the story of letter E. Some children are staying on a farm. In the morning they feed the hens and collect the eggs for breakfast. They take the eggs back to the kitchen and give them to the farmer's wife. She cracks the egg open on the side of a pan and saying, eh, eh. Now, what is the action of letter E? Pretend to crack an egg against the side of a pan with one hand. Use both hands to open the shell, saying, eh, eh, eh. What is the flashcard of letter E? This is the flashcard of letter E. This is mama letter E and this is baby letter E. But mama letter don't have sound, but baby letter has a sound. Now what is the way to write letter E? Make a small curve and a small circle. This is the way to write a letter E. Now what is the sound of letter E? Egg, elephant, envelope, exit. Now it's your turn to write a letter E. Small curve and a small circle. Now what is the song of letter E? Thank you.